The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
All right,
mode.
let's try this again. Can you guys hear me? Sound check. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. The sometimes it's GoToWebinar. Sometimes I guess it just doesn't click on. But in any event, guys, good morning. Today is Monday, October 11. It is a federal holiday. I'm sure most of you know that. I also posted it in Skype last evening. Bond markets are closed, as are banks. I would think that we get lighter volume today, although the overnight volume is not reflective of that. So it has been a fairly active Asian and Europe session. NASDAQ is currently at 107,000 contracts. So volume is higher than normal when we come in. We've just put in a new daily low by a couple of handles. This is not untypical of, holiday type trading. We are getting a down move. Earnings start tomorrow. I believe that JP Morgan, we have no news today for what it's worth. I think JP Morgan is first up tomorrow. Let's see, Tuesday. Nope, Wednesday. We start Wednesday. JP Morgan's Wednesday. So in earnest, we start Wednesday. In any event, guys, we're here. I elected to open the room and trade today. We'll see what we get. We are at the day low. There's nothing I can do with this here, or will. The short was higher up. We have had one bot trade this morning. The NASDAQ has taken a short. All three targets have been hit. The bot is currently up about 1,100 on one trade. That is the only bot trade this morning so far. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. For those of you that are in order flow class that meets Monday, do not confuse Tuesday with Monday. If you are in order flow class, which meets today, I have sent the link. If you guys don't have it, please send me an email and I will send you the link for class today, which will be our last class. I kind of combined, okay, D, good. I kind of combined some things along the way, so it's essentially one class different than some of the other ones I've done. But today I'm going to try to answer questions, or will answer questions. If anyone has questions, please bring them to class. Additionally, I will go over the cloud again and just understanding station to station. But this will be the last formal class on Monday. Going forward, you guys are class number 3. Once a month, groups number 1, 2, and now 3 will get together just for, going over stuff, etc., etc. If you guys are in order flow class tomorrow, Tuesday, I have not sent the link yet. I will do that today. Again, it's a holiday. Trade accordingly. I will read the disclaimer. Again, we have no news today. Good morning, Becky. Same to you as well. We have no news today, guys. So looks like shorts. Let's see if we can get a reversal and then maybe a pullback or a rollover again. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Excuse me. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, taking a spin around. 1,600 plus, almost 1,700 net sellers currently in the NASDAQ. 100 and almost 9,000 on the volume. So the volume is good. Not sure what we'll get without banks and with bonds closed, but yes, again, higher than average volume, 190, almost 5,000 with 1,200, almost 1,300 net sellers. Gold, a couple of thousand sellers. We'll see if gold rolls over. A couple of thousand sellers on 52,000 average volume in gold. Crude, just a ton of buyers. I mean, crude is just on a rampage. Started last night at 6 p.m. 3,800 net buyers in crude. Don't care about YM for the most part. A couple of hundred net sellers. And natural gas, small net selling. Take a quick run around the block. NASDAQ, daily shorts, hourly shorts, small time frame shorts. We're shorts all the way around. YM, daily longs, quite a bit of support on the YM, right around 350 area. Hourly longs, 10-minute shorts. So the YM, if it pops up long, may be our trade. The ES daily shorts, hourly currently long, and the small time frame shorts. Russell daily shorts, hourly longs, 10-minute longs. 37 is a target on the YM, on the Russell, I'm sorry. Gold, I have daily longs. Maybe not. It's right on the cusp. Hourly shorts, small time frame longs. If this small time frame flips, and I think it will, we'll look for a short in gold. Crude, pony up at the pump. You do have a small time frame short if you're interested in crude. It's way overbought, way overbought. Maybe 41 is a target. You can sell 70. Stop would be 82. 8207. 8207. Target 141. And then maybe 92. Natural gas is a short. Natural gas is a short. 634. It's dropping as I'm speaking. It's now 28, 26. Natural gas is a short. And your target is 477. That can't be right. Yeah, natural gas dumped 20 ticks almost as I was speaking. It's a short. Natural gas is a short. long on the dailies, but the hourly and the small time frame are short, so it's going to give us a short. I have a 545 target. I guess that is right. 545. We could come 477. I mean, it's dumped 30 ticks more than that. If anybody short natural gas, target 545. We're holding six, not even holding 600 now. Anybody take that? I didn't have a Dom. Okay, John. Target one, call it 545. That was a quick puke. And dang, missed a good. NASDAQ getting a bit of a bid with some lonely souls. Gold also bouncing. Let's see if we get it. We've got a gold long, fellas. Let's see here. Maybe 58 half target. It's not much from here. Gold can get back to 64. That's all I see. Hope your teams won on Saturday. It was an awesome day. Notre Dame won. Georgia won. Alabama lost. Best game of the day might have been Texas and Oklahoma. Hope your team won yesterday. Yeah, they surely did. It's a great day whenever Alabama loses. It just doesn't happen often. But I don't think they're the team that they've been. That'll make Georgia number one if the poll's not out. Yeah, buddy. They surely did. I had Buffalo in my pool yesterday. There's crude. There you go, guys. Let's take first target 59. 59. As always, trade them as you see fit. Might be 61 stops it, but trade them as you see fit, guys. You have 10 ticks in it, 12 ticks, 13 ticks. Ah, it offered target. It went offered at 59. Offered again at 59. You may want to take 60. I mean, it's $10.
Target filled.
Never mind. Moot. Target filled. Target filled. Let's see if we can get 81.20 on a final target. 81 to maybe 81.11. You guys good? Okay. Little dough. God, Russell's bid nicely. Russell looks like it's going to trade to 33. Damn Ninja. Guys, this turned into a nice trade. If you guys are here on trial, this is obviously an order flow trade. This is not a bot.
Reminder, there's no data due here at the bottom of the hour, and it is extremely light in terms of data due to the holiday here in the U.S. The SEC and other governmental agencies are closed, along with the U.S. banking system, and that includes U.S. Treasury trade. Rates have continued to drift higher in Europe. The current 10-year now a negative 12 basis points, up another 3 on the day. This comes alongside a continued rise in commodity prices and generally lower equity valuations. The U.S. stock market looking down about a third to 0.5% on the open. Most of the European bourses are trading down. Order submitted.
That's my final target. 06. Oh, 06, fellas. And let's move that. Let's go 94. 94. Yeah, 94. 94. Come on, don't bounce here. Don't be a jerk. Nah, you gonna bounce on me? Seriously? That's a quick 20 tick bounce. If you guys want your money, take it. This could bounce back to 68. I don't know that it does, but it can. I think we're going to dump. Come on down through VWAP. Come on. I'm not letting it go above 47. I'll put stop at 52 for the time being.
ECB's lane, saying that this time they don't expect Delta to be a major domestic issue. Talking about the pandemic there, the ECB's lane.
Come on. Nice job, Keith. NASDAQ is bid on small buyers. Anybody that took that natural gas short, you have just hit your final destination. Maybe not. You might get 350. Anybody holding that gas short still? That's a monster. Natural gas was a monster of a trade. Huge. It was huge. All right, John. I would say your final target is 350. I mean, she's steamrolling down. It's another 100 ticks, another $1,000. Steamrolling. It looks like somebody pushed natural gas literally off a cliff. Missed gold. Wasn't watching. Gold is a short. I'm going to put a gold short on, fellas.
Order filled.
Short gold, 52, 53. Let me move this.
Order filled.
We have a bot short on gold as well. Bear with me 1 second. Let's take 51.8. Okay. 51.8 target 1. And I want my stop 55.8. I will not hold it to 55.8. What time is it? 36. Whoop. Here comes our crude trade to final target.
More from lane, ECB's lane, saying the trigger from lane.
I'm actually going to move first target down to 51.3. All right. Crude is almost to our final target, guys. Please put your seat backs in their upright, your trays in their upright position and prepare to disembark. Final target hit.
Order canceled.
We just crushed crude for $1,070. This may still keep going. I just don't have any targets. Let NASDAQ, let the indices do their thing. Oh. If gold can get below 52, it's going to get hit. That's hourly support. 52. Crude's still going. Natural gas still flailing. Just amazing. Crude is amazing. Next target on crude, if anybody is still holding, I guess would be 80.50. $80.50 and then 80.26. Anyone still in crude? Come on, gold. Puke.
ECB's lane saying we need to be much
55.4 stop. 24 tick stop. Crude just got a big bounce. Here's gold. Ooh, unfinished auction at 50.8. I'm going to take a whack and try to get 50.9. 50.9. Come on, crude. I mean, gold. Let's go. Gave 6. It's got to break 52.2. Hourly support. Right here. Got to snap 52.2 and then 51.5. Not going far on 16 sellers, I can tell you that. Come on. Come on. 52.2. Oh, come on. One tick. If you guys, I mean, you can see there's not a ton of volume. Only 700 contracts traded in the previous 5-minute bar. If you guys want to take some risk off, it's a holiday. I think it breaks. But again, it doesn't matter what I think. Now we hit it again, and it held it again. Held 52.2 again. I don't think it holds again. Trade them as you see fit, guys. It held that hourly support at 52.2. We just need one flush. And it broke it. It broke. Come on. Let's go get the low of the day. Don't be bashful. We got 40. We got actually net buying in here, which is interesting. NASDAQ is a small short. NASDAQ looks like a short. There we go.
Target filled.
Bot got target 1 on the gold trade. Target 1 is filled. I'm going to take a second one off here, guys.
Target filled.
All right, there we go. Now we'll see if we can get that third. I have my ATM set as 1, 1, and 1. We'll see what we get here. I really want that unfinished auction at 8. I think we can get it. I'm 1 tick above, so I'm 1 tick below the low of the day. Oh, come back. Come on. The only reason I'm down below that 95, right? Ordinarily, this is where I start thinking I may want to be long. The only reason I'm down here is that unfinished auction. Now, if you guys want to take some risk off, please feel free to take risk off, right? Trade your account. Don't let greed be a factor. There's no real there's no selling pressure. We had 28 net seller's previous candle. We do have volume in this candle, almost 14, I know, coming up on 1400. There it is. We do have block sell. We got a block seller here at 51.8. Somebody sold 20. I doubt there was anyone long that sold that. I would assume that's a net sell. 7 net buyers in the previous candle. Again, it's a holiday. The pressure seems to be to the downside, but there's not a ton of it. Got to break the day low. And I think we get that swing at 51.5. We should get that unfinished auction, guys. Oh, you scumbag. 51.3. Come on. Seriously. 4 ticks from target. Come on, come get that unfinished auction. Let's go. Three ticks. Come on, seriously. 3 ticks. It won't go. It's one offered at the low of the day. Come on, you're not gonna. No way. You're not gonna leave that auction. Come on. All right, guys. I'll probably take 2 off. I see the support we're holding. We're holding the 26 period on the cloud on the daily. Come on, come get this auction. We've got decent selling now. Anybody holding gold to that one tick above unfinished auction? Anybody still holding? Anybody holding gold? No? Okay. Okay, Lee. One guy. That's it? One guy's in gold?
Target filled.
Got it. Kiss my grits, Mel. Kiss my grits. All right. Thank you, John. NQBot got a great win early today. Hasn't taken another trade. That's it. Gold. There you go, guys. Boo-yah, baby. Stops break even. Now I'm just leaving it. Okay? Hang on, guys. I got a trial. Yep. Guys, you know, it's a holiday, so we're going to be slow. It's 8:58 as usual. I will take my breakfast break. I want 46.4 for a final target. That's what I'd like to get. So here's what I'm going to do.
Order canceled.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to do none. I'm going to do one. So
Order submitted.
there's my stop.
Order submitted.
And there's my target. Okay? That's what I got. We might get to that 48.7 slowly. Columbus Day. Today is Columbus Day. Unless you're in Canada, then it's Thanksgiving, I guess. Guys, if you're joining us late, we have taken 2 order flow trades. If you've traded as I have, I am at 1490 with this runner on gold currently up 24 ticks. Good morning, Irving. According to Google, it's Indigenous People Day. Columbus is offensive, okay? So let me re-reference that. Today is Columbus Day. You know, for the paisan that discovered America. For those of you that are unaware, I am an Italian, so I can say that. I am not trying to be offensive to Italians. People nowadays are just soft, seriously soft. It just defies logic. All right, fellas, it's 9 o'clock. The ES bot is now in a trade. We have a long on the ES. This would be the third bot trade of the morning. Trade number 1 on the extra special here. NASDAQ's getting a boost as well. Guys, it is 9 o'clock. I'm going to take this off.
Stop fill.
Gold is out of that trade. So what we have so far, fellas, on the day, if you're joining late, we have 2 bot trades so far that have gone to completion. A winner in the NASDAQ, a winner in gold. The bots are currently up 1365. We have an ES trade on. We have taken 2 order flow trades, which have totaled. I'm going to close this gold trade.
Order filled.
I'm out of my gold trade here. 1520. So 1520 in order flow, not a bad morning. 1365 bot, not a bad morning. Guys, I'm going to take my breakfast break. I will be back in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. The ES has hit first target. So for those of you that may be joining us late, let me bring you up to speed. The bots have taken now 3 trades this morning. The first was the NASDAQ. Huge winner. And we'll go over these at 11. The second was gold. Another big winner. Looks like it's going to fire along here in 2 minutes and 17 seconds. And now the NASDAQ got 5 handles and a tick on first target. We'll probably pull back at the open into this trailing stop, but another winner, okay? Trailing stop is at break even +1. So the bot is currently up $1,627.50. Last week we were up $12,845 for the week. So we're having a good day so far. As for order flow trades, I have given one on crude, which was a big winner for us. One on natural gas, which I didn't take, but I mean, it just fell so precipitously I couldn't even get in a trade. Would have been a monster, just a monster natural gas trade. And then a gold short ES. I'm sorry, gold. Order flow trades are currently up $1,520. So it's been a fairly decent morning. Ked, what's 4381? What's that? Sorry about your Longhorns, buddy. Maybe the best college game I've seen all year. Rivaled the Browns and the Chargers yesterday. 4381 on what? NASDAQ? I mean ES? Where did it fire a trade? What price did you enter? This is at 73.25. What price did you enter? Tell me where your entry was. Yeah, look at the flag. It'll tell you. Look at the flag. No. You couldn't possibly have an entry at 43.65 to 43.70. That's a 5-handle range. And it would not possibly identify a first target at 81. Nope. All right, so your trade entry was 75. You're not sure. Okay, I can't help you then. You can take a screenshot and email it to me. Take a screenshot and email it. If you send it right now, I'll look at it. Guys, I have 2 option trades if you're interested. If anybody is interested. Affirm, October 15th, 142 calls on a break of 141.50. Target is 155. Okay. The other one is NEO. October 15th, 36 calls on a break of 36.50. Target is 37.5. I didn't put it on here, but 37.50. If you guys are interested, if anybody has any questions on those, ask. We have no news today. It is a federal holiday. Bond market's closed. Banks are closed. Let me, hang on, guys. Let me take a look at his. Your entry. Boy, it doesn't make any sense to me. Are you in the money right now? I can't see your entry on this. You're up $2,235. Okay. You see the red flags? The red flags? Yeah, okay. Okay. I don't know why you have a stop at 88 and 64. The 64 is right. I'm not sure why you have an 88 stop. Okay. Looks like I can't tell. I don't know what you did here. I might consider, I would say, boy, that doesn't make any sense to me. 4, 5, 6. Something's not right here. Did you manually enter these trades? You had to have. The bot took this trade? Okay, so I would close this trade and take your $2,200. I would close this trade because something, I don't know what you did here. It's closed. Okay. Okay, so you have no trade on, correct? You took your money? You took your money, right? Okay, so now it's moot. I'm not sure. Yeah, go fishing. I don't know if he fishes. I'm not sure what you did there, but you made $2,200. Oh, you grew up fishing? Okay, saltwater. Okay, I've done it. Oh, sea trout. Okay, I've never done that. All right, so look. Here is the ES bot trade, right? So you're running 6 contracts. What didn't make sense to me is why you had a stop up here. Almost as if you put a long and a short on, but that can't happen. Be that as it may, you made $2,200. Whatever you did, it worked out in your favor. Worked out. All right, guys, we have another bot trade in the middle of all of that. We have a long on gold. This is trade number 2 and trade number 4 for the session. Good morning, Todd. We're getting a bid across the board, fellas. That's right. Go long. I thought they won that game. I mean, I really thought Texas had it. I cannot believe they let Oklahoma come back and win that game. It was the best college game I've seen in a long time. All right, guys. Guys, 30 seconds to the opening bell. Pay attention. It's enough chit chat. NASDAQ still has about 950 net sellers. Let's see what we get on the open. I'm watching ticks on the open. Friday was kind of a for ticks. We're off. Ticks are pushing higher. NASDAQ has small sellers on the open. Looks like it wants to push higher. We'll see what we get. Ticks are moving up to 400. Unless they get over 800, it's moot.
for ways to make the G20 framework for debt restructuring more effective and avoid a cliff on current freeze and bilateral debt payments end at the end of 2021.
This is a relatively slow. You got a small short on NASDAQ, small short at 40. There goes NASDAQ. Ticks can't get over 400 at this point. We're just mired in chop. Chop, 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 chop. Crude is still in shorts. Gold on the bot is back to its entry. Ticks can't get over 400 yet. Bond market's closed. Banks are closed. I expect lower volume.
Stop build.
Out on the ES bot runners. Here comes that 40. Nice short, fellas. If anybody took 40. Target number 124. 24. If you're short NASDAQ, 24. There's 25. Oh, don't tell me you hit quarter. Hit 24 to the dang tick. Hit 24 to the tick. Next target down is 16. Next target down is 16. If it gets through that 24. You should get your 24. There was 24 again. You got target 1 filled. 24 filled. Put your stop at break even and let her go. What I'm hoping for is next 16 and then 08. Small sellers in here, guys. You should be out at break even. NASDAQ's long. That's what it looks like it wants. Longs. Longs, 52. 52 long now. 52 long. 50. It's gone. There it goes. Got the short, and if you were fast, you got the long at 52. Target number 1 is going to be 72 from 52. Hate when they all go at once, man. Let's see here. NASDAQ, nothing on crud. Neo doing nothing on the open. Come on, gold, get that target. Let's go.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled on gold. Another winner on the bot. 4 for 4 today. Anybody get 52 on NASDAQ? You got your first target at 7.2. You got first target at 7.2. Picks never got above 400. It's going to be a sloppy trade. Okay, Greg, nice job. Anybody catch them both? Now you got 30 handles in this trade, guys. 30 handles. NASDAQ final target, 860. 860. They bought them all back in the last 6 minutes. Small negative delta, 80, 90 contracts. Dun, 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 dun. Let's take a spin. Nothing on the YM that I'm interested in or ES. Russell, nothing. Getting a pullback. Russell hit that target I gave you guys and pulled back. Gold is longs, fellas. Gold is longs. Gold is long. It's long on the bot, but it's long. 57.6, 57.7. Gold is long. If you're still in the NASDAQ, you should be holding NASDAQ long. Crude is still shorts. We caught that. Natural gas was a humongous trade. Humongous. All my targets are hit. Humongous. Member of the Huey Mung. Their second target on gold. Member of the Huey Mungus family. There goes NASDAQ from 52. It's gone. 40 handles here, fellas. Got the short for a nice trade. The long is gone. It's going back over 800. I think what I'm going to do is take this third target and manually just move it out. I don't know where we can go. If we get above 63, it's off to the races. So I'll put it at 63. Dun, da, da, da. You're long gold, guys. Long gold. Russell, I got nothing. Bupkis. NASDAQ giving us a pullback. Ticks never went above 400. Ticks are rising, but they're mired in the 200 range. I am saying NASDAQ target 14,864. We should get to 838 anyways, but I think we can get to 64. VIX holding below 20. Conducive for longs, guys. We have a small negative, positive delta of 145. So they've bought them all back, right? The negative delta was down around 2,000. They've bought them back. I'm going to move this gold bot off the screen. It's hit 2 targets out of 3. It's at break even. I'll let the auto trail handle it. NASDAQ is currently failing or has failed at 90 area, which was Friday's low. We traded up to Friday's low. The entry I have now is somewhere around 43 if it pulls back. I don't think it will, but maybe. That may have been the entire morning's move. Crude is trying to turn up. Crude's opening range high, its Crable break is 81.44. Again, guys, it's a holiday. That may have been our move.
Minister Kishida of Japan saying they want to build a system that can deal with the Taiwan scenario.
We're still longs, guys, on the NASDAQ. It's going to be slow going. NASDAQ crude gold just popped through its opening range high, its Crable break. ES will not take another trade today. I doubt sincerely NASDAQ will. Crude, if it turns up, can give us a bot trade. Guys, NASDAQ is longs. Next 10-minute candle here in 4 seconds. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. There it is.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on, push. Push. There we go. Get over 800. Let's go. 08 is Friday's close.
Order filled.
There you go. We're trying to push through Friday's close. Nice another order flow trade. Morning, Magnus. Crude hit 44. That hit basically my target, 44.45. It's not done. It's not done. It's not done. If crude gets through 45, call it through 47. She is up, and away in its beautiful balloon. She gonna go, fellas. She gonna go. NASDAQ, 12, 13 handles away from my target. If NASDAQ gets above 862, NASDAQ is going to 76, 82, and 900. If you're holding NASDAQ, all buyers, 2,500 net buyers. Come on, crude. You got your first target off on gold. We're going to have Elizabeth Warren investigating us for all the damn money we make in this friggin' place. Come on, seriously? What is that? One tick from target? Rat dog? It should get that first target, guys. No, 3. All right. Yeah, she's going to tax me on money, everybody, man. That's right. I'm going to have to pay all your taxes. Tick stalled out at 550. We're basically in chop relative to the ticks. Here comes the next push on NASDAQ. All buyers, if you are in NASDAQ, hold that sucker. There's target number 1 on crude. Another winning bot trade. Another 545. Our big day last week was like 4,300 on the bots. And today we are at 2315 with runner left in gold, which is going to get smacked here. And $400 here on runners on CL. If you guys are holding crude, we're almost to that next target up on NASDAQ. If you guys are holding CL, anybody that is in CL, I'm going to give you a target. How about I don't have one? How about I really don't have a target? No, I really don't. Let's call it $85. I don't have a target. This son of a gun has gone through every damn target. Let me see here, guys. Let me just see if I can come up with something that makes sense. All right, crude's got to blow through 60, and you could target 82.31. Yeah, just hold it. Yeah, ES was a monster. Got all three targets. That's a beast. Got to get through 60, and crude's going to get all of these targets. You have a voodoo line at 81.53. Yes, agreed. I see 60, which is R3. NASDAQ hit 60 half. The ES spot, Bashkar hit all three targets and still going. Stupid trade. I mean, that's just stupid. Crazy trade. All right, I'm going to move these off. Gold is at break. Crude is at break even. Gold at +1. Gold is same. Can't lose money on the trades. 63 was my NQ target. Why would they? I don't know. At 11 o'clock, I'll go over my. I'm going to go through all the bot trades. ES will not take another bot trade today. Neither will NASDAQ. I don't believe Russell. I don't recall, but I don't think Russell took a trade on Friday either. That would be really odd. Guys, we have bent them over. We have really crushed them today. Gold is still longs. All right, it's not 10 o'clock yet. So the opening range in the NASDAQ is enormous. Here's gold. Gold is going to go through its Crable break again at 58.1. That's another entry, 58.2. Come on, give me my 63. Crude, to me, looks like it's trying to push up. If you're in crude, you can put your stop at break even at 27 and just hold on, because if this thing gets through this level here, and I think it will, crude is still longs, guys. Nothing's changed. It's long. It's pushing Pam's Ludwig level here, 57, 58. It's got to get through 60 as I see it. Through 60, this could be a rocket ship. Oh, Mike, we have so killed it today that it's not even funny. Bitcoin's up 5%. We've beaten them like a redheaded stepchild. Surely hope nobody in here is redheaded or a stepchild. Bitcoin's up 2,000. Mimi, I'm pretty sure I do not. And if I did, he surely wouldn't. The child surely wouldn't be redheaded. Yeah, we beat them like the baby seals, but I'll have the ASPCA after me. Not to mention my wife will probably throw a dart at me. Remember, I have a wife that volunteers 3 days a week at the Humane Society. Nice job, Grant. 90 points on NASDAQ. Crude is close to blowing up. Is there anybody that did not make money? Do I have anybody not making money? Is there anybody possibly not making money? VIX is dropping like a brick. We're going higher, guys. We're going higher. Got my 63 target. Booyah, baby. Booyah. There you go. You guys were expecting a yodel? You're wrong. If you're holding NASDAQ, next target up on NASDAQ, somewhere around, I think we get to 930 today, 935. 935 if you're holding NASDAQ. There's my 76 target. Above that is 82. Anybody holding NASDAQ? We just look. God dang it. Look at this. Our opening, nice job, Keith. Our opening range high. Yes, it is, Michael. Our opening range high, we pulled back and just rocketed through the Crable at 61, and it went, almost 20 handles. Gold is right at its break. If you guys like gold, it popped it. You'd be long 58.2. Gold is long. Opening range high. Crude is pulling back a shard, but it is not a short. Do not short crude. We still have crude on the bot, and we have gold on with a runner. Do-da. Yeah, we'll get through it on the next 15-minute candle, but not for 12 minutes. If we can get a dang pullback, I can give us another trade. I don't have a pullback. Can't trade the YM. She's hauling oats, gone. As is the ES, as is the Russell. They all look the same. I like gold long. I like gold long, 58.2. I like it. And if we can break above, we got to push through right here. Gold could trade back to 63. Then it runs into the 21 moving average on the daily. All right, guys. NASDAQ has 2,900 net buyers. I'd like to see a pullback to 62 with a stop at 30. That's a big stop. Yeah, I would pull your trailing stop up on the NASDAQ, Francis. Absolutely. You could go to 41. I don't know where you're in from, but 41 is. Crude is still trying, guys. It's hit 58. Crude needs to get above 60, and then there's nothing stopping it. It's fighting the previous hourly high. Natural gas hasn't turned up, and the ticks have not gotten above 600. 641. The ticks are now down around 275, so we're flat. Nothing there. Nothing. Read them and weep. VIX at the low of the day. Yeah, we're buying pullbacks. All right, guys. So let's look at, let me get rid of these. Let's see if we can get a pullback into 60. We've got a few hundred sellers in here. Your stop is going to be 30 if it pulls back to 60. So we make a determination if that's a, fewer contract trade for you.
1,396 kilogram gold.
Not a Russell trade today on the bot. So unusual. Time is 10:05. All right. 300 sellers in this 3-minute block. I'm watching order flow on 2 different time frames. You son of a gun. Didn't give me 61 or 60. It gave me 63. Not the entry I wanted, guys. We're still longs. Nothing's changed. I mean, you can buy it here. Your stop is still 30. I'm just trying to get it, the smallest stop I can. 8 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. This is what I wanted to buy right here for my order flow, guys. Look at this buy zone here. We didn't get it. Need crude through 60. You've been watching holiday trading for, it seems like a slow step. Yeah, it is, Mike. Yep. You guys have 22 ticks in your gold trade. I think gold can get to 63. That's why I've got my target out. Gold on the bot is now above third target, right? But I don't think gold is done. I think gold gets that 63 target. That's why I've moved the target out. NASDAQ, what I'd like to see is a pullback on a 1 minute, which we've not seen yet, and then turn back up. Which it just seems unwilling to do. $3,000 net buyers, guys. See how we held the buy zone? Spies are looking to break out. A firm on the options hasn't gone through the entry yet, and neither has NEO. NASDAQ. You're just going to keep breaking out. I still like crude long. I still think crude is going to break out.
Finance Minister Lemaire saying that France is revising the 2021 growth estimate to 6.25% to 6%.
France has redone its growth estimate for 2021 from 6% to 6.25%. All right, we may get a small pullback in here, finally. This thing just does not want to stinking come down. Man, oh man, oh man. Guys, I cannot get a pullback to buy. I'm not buying this doop-de-doo stuff up here. I'm not doing it. I'll wait all damn day to get a reversal, but I'm not buying this. I'm not scalping this for 5 and 6 handles. We've pulled the 95 up. We're struggling at the pivot. I got my targets and then some. I still think we trade higher, but I don't want to suffer through a 50, handle pullback. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Sellers into gold. You guys may want to take your risk off if you're in the order flow trade. Sellers in gold. Crude is also turning over. Let me see if crude turns over on the small. Not yet. Has not. I'm going to look to short crude. NASDAQ's untradeable. Still a whole hell of a lot of buyers in crude. Damn NASDAQ. Well, here comes 900, fellas. If it pushes through this pivot, 940 is on tap. If it gets above 03, you're welcome, Rich. SPYs broke out. SPY broke out.
1 hour now to European cash equity close. European bourses follow U.S. equities higher for the FTSE now about 0.5%. CAC run into positive territory and the DAX is down about 0.1%. Bond yields across European sovereign curves remain higher on the day before we closed on Friday. The German 10-year up about 3, along with the 10-year gilt. In U.S. bond markets remain closed due to the Columbus Day holiday. Euro 115.81 now in positive territory for the day. Euro.
Crude's going to short on the bot, which I'm not crazy about at VWAP, but I'll let it take the trade in 38 seconds. I still like the long. I have no reason to be short. Gold still has that runner on. Unless this comes up about 8 ticks in the next 15. No, it just lost a short.
Order filled.
Crude shorted on the bot. Let's see if we can get, it's frozen. I'll move it as soon as I can. Russell pushing higher. Unbelievable. YM, ES is pushing higher. YM pushing higher. YM's almost to the target I have. It's almost worth a short at 850. NASDAQ just does not want to flip. If the NASDAQ flips, I'm selling it. Can't even get a pullback on a 1 minute. That's how ridiculous this is. Thank you, Mimi. Morgan Stanley is bid nicely. They report next week. NVIDIA is bid. Qs are bid. SPYs are bid and going higher. Gold hanging out, not doing much. Crude, if it breaks down below that 06, it could come down nicely. Small sellers now in the NASDAQ, real small. Come on, crude. 5 more ticks. Got to break that bottom at 05 and we'll get target. You suck. You guys can shut off NASDAQ and ES bots. They will not take any trades today. I mean, they have. They will not take another trade. They're done. They've just killed it. I will go over bot trades, guys, at the close. Crude bounced right off of support at 05, 04. Bounced 15 ticks. Guys, I will be doing, after order flow education today, I will be doing the 1 o'clock session. I don't know what we'll get with this. You know, once Europe is gone, this could get positively horrific. But we'll open the room and see what we get this afternoon. For those of you that are in the 1 o'clock session, if you had asked for an invoice for the 1 o'clock session, I only have 2 people that didn't pay it. I will be canceling that invoice as soon as I'm done with the room. And we'll see you guys next month if you're interested. Jim, do me a favor. Send me an email. I tried to send you the link for this afternoon, and it bounced back as undeliverable for the afternoon session. Will you send me an email, please, so I could respond to your email? Yeah, and then I've got 2 guys, one of whom is in the room. I will be canceling your invoices for the afternoon session as soon as I close the room. Guys, unlike the morning session, okay, Bhaskar, unlike the morning session, there's first target on crude. Unlike the morning, you know, this regular session, I'm invoicing everybody on the same day of the month. You know, in the morning session, I've got people throughout the month. I'm not going to do that for the afternoon session. So there are 2 of you that asked to be in the afternoon session. One of you is in the room. If you're interested in being in the and I'm not going to call out any names. If you want to be in the afternoon session, please pay the invoice. If not, I'm literally canceling it whenever I close the room at 5 after 11, and you can join next month if you'd like. Okay, I wasn't going to call you out. I mean, I just figured if you want to be there, you guys will be there. And you don't need to apologize. I mean, it happens all the time. This will be taken out here. First target only, guys, is what it looks like. I have nothing I can do on anything at this point, guys, anywhere. Maybe gold. No, not even gold.
Target fill.
I just closed that gold runner.
Stop fill.
Out on crude. All right, guys, I am now shutting off my bots. It's 10:33. Nothing else is going to take a trade. You won't get another trade today, any that I see. I'll go over bot trades at 11 a.m. I'll show you guys all the bot trades. Order flow, you know, we have mangled them. Yes. Yes, I can. Ironically, the only one that did not take a trade today was Russell. And it will not take a trade. Bots were 6 for 6 today, guys. 6 trades, 6 winners. 1 on the NASDAQ, 2 on gold, 2 on crude, 1 on the ES. Order flow has been dynamic as per usual. Yeah, gold target still at 63 is what I have.
The copper markets, Chile's Codelco, the state-run copper company, is raising their European copper premium by 31% to $128 a ton. Copper futures.
All right, we're getting a pullback. You got a short on the NASDAQ on the 1 minute if you guys want to try a 1 minute short.
2% today, $4.37.
Your bots are up 4,700. I'm wondering what trades you got that I didn't. But nice job. Or maybe you're trading your ATMs differently. NASDAQ's going to give you, I think, a small short, guys. It's got to break 15-minute support at 76, and it could come down to 65. That's really all I see. Oh, okay. You got it on the ES runner. Nice. That's the difference. Because I had 1 come off at target 1, and then my remaining 2 went to break even plus 1 and got jacked, so I didn't get any of this big move. You're trading 2 funded accounts? Nice. Oh, one for order flow, one for the bots. Nice. 25 seconds, guys, to the next 15-minute candle. Gold is turning over.
The UK Business Secretary said they formally submitted a formal bid for assistance to industries hit by high energy prices, according to the BBC. Widely expected.
Stop is going to be 84. And I think we're going to work all the way down to 10 on the NASDAQ.
Order submitted.
I'm short one. Damn it. It only gave me one contract. Gave me one contract. You rat bag. Gave me one. What a suck face.
Order filled.
Guys, hang on one second. I got to take care of something. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Damn it. We should come down to 816 if you're short NASDAQ. I think we come down to 10. It's got to break through 45. If 45 goes, this is going to get hit hard. Come on, give me a pullback. Let me just have a spectacular day. Is there anybody that didn't make money? Minute and 20 seconds, and I'm going to give bot trades and then wrap up my day. Get ready for order flow class at 1. If you are in Monday's class and you do not have the link for today, email me and I'll send it to you. Hang on one second, guys. 1 second. Okay. All right, guys. YM is flipping. Yeah, I'm going to get that CL. I'm watching it. YM is trying to flip into short. NASDAQ is not flipped yet. slop fest here, fellas, for now. All right, guys, I'll tell you what. It's 11 o'clock. I'm watching these. Let's go over bot trades today. Bots closed up. They're all off. Bots closed up $2,845. Could have been more, depending on that ES trade. I used the break even on the ES, and it went to all three targets and exceeded it. Be that as it may, better than a $2,800 day. We are off a $12,000 week last week. Here is the ES. One trade, fired at 9 a.m. Long, all three targets. You'd actually still be in the runner if you were trailing with your auto trail at third target, 74 ticks. So 1 for 1 today on the ES. There were actually here. Guys, I'm going to put this crude trade on one more time and sit with it. I'm basically selling the same spot.
Order filled.
So one trade on the ES winner. NASDAQ had a short this morning. One trade, all targets met, and a winner. Winner on the NASDAQ. There were no losing bot trades today. Here is the the Russell. Purple to purple. No trades on the Russell today. Only instrument that did not take a trade. Here is crude. Crude had two trades. First trade fired at 9:48, first target only. Second trade fired at 10:24, first target at this point only. The bot would still be in the trade, but out at first target. Last but not least, gold, which took two trades. Trade number 1, first target, not quite second target. 1 tick from that 28 tick second target. Trade number 2 at 9:21, all three targets. And then I had turned my bots off when I said I did. It would actually be in a short at this point. It has neither gone to target or stop. For the benefit of records, I will click this as a win or a loss only for statistics. But my bots are off, up 28.45 on the day. Order flow, we have just annihilated them in order flow today. And this crude is messing with me again. YM is a short. I like YM short. YM is at 760. Stop is 825. NASDAQ getting a little bit of a pump here, but I think this is short-lived. One more move up. If you guys like it, you could take a long on the 1 minute. 74 was your entry. I'm not going to take any trades at this point. I'll be in order flow in 56 minutes, and I will also be in the afternoon session at 1 p.m. Anybody have any questions before we go? I mean, we did a good job today, guys. I honestly surprised at the movement that we had from pre-market right through. I'm really surprised. Any questions before we go, guys? Tomorrow, 8 a.m., those of you in order flow class Monday, I will see you guys in about 55 minutes. Those of you that are in the afternoon session of the trade room, I will see you guys at 1 p.m. All right? Guys,